Hello, in this video I will show you about USB ports on iSENSYS MF devices. First, there is USB port on the front side, which can be used for USB memory, for printing or scanning. To scan to USB memory, you go into the scan menu and select USB memory. You can scan to compact and OCR to searchable PDF. And you can also print from the USB memory. And then there are two more USB ports on the back side. Here we can connect Ethernet network. On this one, the USB for PC connection, and on the last one I can connect an external keyboard. Now my external keyboard is connected to my MF iSENSYS device. When scanning a document to email, now I can use the keyboard on the touch screen, or I can use external keyboard. And I have received my document to my email. And that is all in this video. Thank you for watching and sharing. Bye.